So the next is you oftenly says that you help people to enable you to communicate with utmost confidence to enhance your personal and professional success.
Yeah.
So what's it exactly? Can you please elaborate it in a much better?
Yeah. Okay. So when it comes to personal success, why do we need to communicate? We need to communicate because we are social beings. We humans are social beings. We can't stay alone. So we need to build relationships, right?
Yeah.
You can't stay on your own. You need to build a relationship. It could be any kind of relationship. When you're building relationship, you have to be expressive enough so that the other person understand you and do not misunderstand you. Earlier in my life, when I was not very clear about what I really wanted, and when I was not clear with my friends or family members that who I really was, I always had this complaint that people do not understand me. And I'm sure a lot of people who are listening to me today or who is watching our program today, they have this thing that people, they don't understand me. Why they don't understand me, I don't know. But the reason is because you are not being open. You are not open to them. You are not expressive. You are not being yourself. That's why, if you know your value system, if you know your priorities, if you know what matters to you in life, you know how to be a strong person. You know what decision you have to take. You know what you have to speak. You will not fear that you will not be manipulative as well. Like you will not get manipulated by others because you know what your principles are. So, this is what I tell my clients: know your values, know your principles, know what matters to you, and then you form a belief in yourself, that confidence in yourself to be who you are. And when you know you're also, I talk about emotional confidence. For example, if you're feeling angry, but then you are being defensive that I'm not feeling angry, be confident about the fact that I'm feeling angry, and that's okay. Being a human, we all will always have negative as well as positive emotions. But the moment
Yeah.
we're confident about this, that yeah, I am having a negative emotion, we will work on it. Okay, why am I having this negative emotion? And the moment we work on it, we create a better relationship with the person who we were angry with, because that
True.
person understands. She's actually working on her anger. And so, any kind of relationship you are building, you need confidence. You need to be expressive. You need to have that. You need to speak with utmost confidence. If you're feeling that you don't want to carry on with a relationship with someone, but you're still hanging on because you're not do not have the guts to tell that person that you are wrong and I don't want to carry on this relationship with you, right? But if you're confident, you will not fear that. And I talk about assertive communication. I don't talk about aggressive communication where you say that I know what's best and I am the right person. You understand the other person's perspective, but you also understand that what matters to you. And then you tell the person it's okay. Your life, you have this thing that's right for you, but that's not right for me, and I would not like to carry on this relationship. It is not easy, it takes time to build such things, but this is how it works. Now, when it comes to professional relationship, I'll give you just a little example. With one of my clients, this happened. So she had this problem that she was at a leader kind of position, but she it was difficult for her to assign work to her juniors. Okay,
Okay.
was very soft spoken, and she always thought that they'll feel bad if I scold them, or they'll feel bad if I tell them to do this, to do that. So I just told her that you have to do that, right? Because
Yeah.
you have to just be yourself. They won't feel bad. That was her limiting belief. I told her to work on her limiting belief. I gave her this exercise, that there's this exercise called role play. So you role play, you practice something before you do it in the real time. So she did that. She practiced that, and she told me that, you know what, it really worked, and now people are working for me, and people are listening to me, and I'm feeling like boss, and I don't even have to shout at them. I don't even have to make them feel that I am a boss, and still I'm feeling the boss, feeling like a boss. So that is what it is. When you know how to express yourself or communicate with confidence, you will have both professional as well as personal growth. Personal growth in terms of your relationship with everyone, and professional growth in terms of whether you are any kind of position you are in. I have clients who has this issue that, people who communicate well, they get promoted more often, and we have potential because, but we are still not, but we are still, lost in the crowd. It's because you're not able to show exhibit your potential to your boss or to higher authority. So when you know that, when you learn that, you will not have issue. You will be like everyone. You will be like, one in a million kind of person.
That's
Everyone will see you.
yeah, that's awesome. Actually, I didn't expect it this much from these two lines. Okay, yeah. So the next is
If you have any queries or you want to contact me and want to have a personal chat, then definitely you can contact me through Instagram Talk with Khan, and don't forget to follow me to get the latest updates.